Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly. Here we do sewing, crafts, and fun. We haven't done a lot of sewing lately, but we're gonna get back to that soon. I do have a project in mind. Today though, I wanted to take you for a little crochet vlog. I wanted to show you what I've been making. We got another order for the Etsy shop, so I thought we could pack that up and then maybe do some work on some chill crochet projects together. But first off, I don't think I showed anybody this. Oh no, what am I talking about? In my last video, which was a crochet and chat, I was working on Gus the Enchanted Mushroom from Drew B. Zoo's book, Magical Creatures. And he's finished. Look at how cute he is. I'm so excited. Look at him. Look at his little feet and his little hands. And he's got spots on his head because he's a mushroom, and the camera's dying. We're gonna fix that. Okay, we're back. I am so happy with Gus. He turned out really cute. I feel like I learned a lot from this pattern, so this is a big plus to me. I don't think I'm going to sell him. He's a little bit too skinny. Like, he could have used some more stuffing. I'm not sure if you can actually tell. Makes me think of the Pillsbury Doughboy a little bit. I'm gonna keep him for a while and then I'll probably make another one to put in the shop eventually. But I'm so happy with him and I'm so glad that I got to make my very first Drew B. Zoo pattern. Next, I went a little wild making scrunchies. So I have to show you everything we made. Okay, usually what I do are these roughly scrunchies. This one, I had just a little bit of this multicolored yarn left, so I used the white to make it stretch a little further, and I think it came out very cute. It's a fun combination. It makes me think of the circus a lot, but this is sort of the classic roughly scrunchie. This pattern is by Passionate Kelsey, Passionate Goods. I like it a lot. Very easy to do. I will leave a link in the description. And then I thought it might be fun to do some that were a little bit flatter, just one layer. I saw Amazing-ish Grace was making scrunchies kind of like this, and after I saw her video I was like, oh, I want to try that. They look really cute. Used just whatever colors I came upon, and I think we got some very cute designs out of it. Lots of stripes. I have put these scrunchies up on my Etsy, but honestly, I think the picture for them looks really bad. Like, because it's only just one of them, and I don't know, they're all so cute. When you look at the listing, I want you to be able to see kind of more of what's going on. So I'm probably going to rework the photos for that. I might rework photos for a good amount of my shop, because some of them I think look good and do an accurate job kind of portraying what the item is, and others I don't think look great at all. And if I saw them, I probably wouldn't click on them. And if I wouldn't click on my own stuff, I feel like that's a really bad sign. I had a couple of days where I don't think I crocheted anything else, and then I went over to Kyle's house this weekend and I ended up making a loaf cat. Look at this little guy. This is my first time doing like the white details around the eyes, and he has a little pink mouth and little white whiskers, and his little paws are black and white, this typewriter color. And then I was gonna do typewriter on the tail too, but I don't think I had it in the room, so he just has an all black tail, and I think he turned out so cute. I'm still practicing my loaf cats, trying to make them as perfect as possible, but this one I think is the best I've done so far. Not counting that little tiny one, because let me show you what happened the last time I made loaf cats. This is the same pattern, same hook size. This is what the original looks like. Why is he so much bigger than him? Honestly, I think it's the tension. I think for this guy I was trying to do very loose tension to get the face more flat, and that just made it enormous. So we've got regular and jumbo, and then somewhere we have the teeny tiny, but he's all put away for now. So those are all the crochet projects I made in the last week. Oh no, there's a big one. Okay, I ages ago, started working on a blue crocheted granny square cardigan, and I finally finished that. I've been working on it for so long. I'm gonna go get it and show it to you.
The door still partially ajar as Grog left it.
I don't like not. I like having the...
This is the cardigan. I am so happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna put it on and then I'll show you a little closer up. It is very warm, very comfy. I knit buttonholes into this. So I crocheted all of the squares, crocheted them together, and then added ribbing with knit. Ta-da! Ta-da! I know that you can do ribbing with crochet. I tried it once and I really didn't like it, and I thought that this would just be faster and easier to do it with knitting. Also, I don't know if crochet ribbing is as stretchy as knitted ribbing is, but I wanted that stretchiness for this. But here it is, all buttoned up. Oh, this is actually kind of cute together. I might need to wear it with this skirt. And it's perfect for this time of year because it is so cold. Yeah, I still have my Christmas tree up. I need to put that away, but we will. We'll get there. Yeah, I'm definitely going to make another one of these in the future. I kind of want to do one that's like white and then multicolored squares. I have made some granny squares with just like my leftover yarn before I got super into making scrunchies. So that's definitely on the horizon. I'm looking over at some granny squares right now. I started working on kind of a similar thing, but I didn't like the white yarn I was using for like the borders to connect all the squares together. So we're probably gonna frog that down and I'll show it to you when it's a little bit cuter. But yeah, that's everything. Scrunchies are in the shop right now. I also have some little mushrooms that I don't think I showed on a reel or a TikTok or anything really yet. So go check the link in the description for the shop. And the new Loaf Cat's gonna be put up there soon along with whatever I make next. Now let's get to packing that order and get that taken care of. I don't really have like a packing station set up or anything yet, so we're just gonna do this on the floor. I'd like to set one up in the near future, hopefully to be ready for more orders soon. But I'm gonna tilt the camera and just sort of talk over it so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this little octopus is who is going home today. Very cute. I only have 2 of these, so I'm excited to see one of them heading out, and then maybe I can make another soon to fill out stock a little bit. We're gonna take this blue tissue paper, just put this into the box here, give him a little nest to be in. Guy in there. And then we're also including some stickers. I just got these off of a big pack from Amazon. I thought they were kind of fun. And then we also have a little handwritten thank you note. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this octopus was ordered by my friend Jack, and it seems kind of silly to send this to him through the mail because I see him like sometimes once a week for D&D, Dungeons and Dragons, but I don't know how to like do this without doing it through the mail through Etsy, so we're just gonna send this off tomorrow and he will get it at his house when the time comes. But I think these boxes are like perfect for the size of plushie. I grabbed these kind of leftover from work. I need to put together some packaging so that I can have like a consistent, nice looking way to send people things. But since I'm just starting out, I am going to try and recycle some packaging for now. And I hope nobody minds that too much. Okay, I'm gonna put the label on, but I'm not gonna show you that because I don't want addresses to get out there. And then I think for the rest of the night, we are going to pick a pattern and do some crochet. I'm not sure what I wanna do yet. It's the next day, we are back, and I decided what I'm going to make. Let me grab it so I can show you. I have had this Bernat Softy Chunky yarn for a couple of years now, and I wasn't really sure what to do with it because a lot of my other yarn was worsted weight, so like it's hard to mix into another project. So it's time for a bat. He's so cute. I really like him. This is just the basic bat pattern from Annie Caraway Art's Spooky Friends, but he's super cute. He's working up great. I just worked on him very casually last night while I was watching a movie with my dad. Yeah, I'm really happy with how he's turning out so far. I think he's adorable. I'm gonna keep on working on him tonight, but I think he's gonna be our last thing for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of me across other platforms, all my links will be in the description below, including my Etsy shop if you would like to take home one of these adorable plushies for yourself. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video. Be brave and do your best. Okay, bye.